our cabin. Hey, we're on a train today. Actually, a night train. We're on a train tonight. And we're off. Overnight train from Nogliki to Yuzhno-Sahalinsk in the summer. It's 6:20 in the afternoon. Let's see what time we get in. Let me show you around the cabin, what I call home for tonight. That's the short tour. We have a television. I haven't seen a remote control yet. I have to go look for it. I don't know how else I'll operate it. We have some towels. Bunk number 1. And since I got the cabin all to myself, bunk number 2. And that's it. And outside. So they just brought me my dinner and Ножна.
Два места тут.
Well,
Ну потом.
well, okay.
Okay.
They just brought me my dinner, warmed it up, everything for me, and because I have the cabin to myself, booked 2 seats, or 2, the whole compartment, which is usually for 2, so they brought me 2 dinners. So I'm not gonna go hungry. Some form of meat and something, stew, veg, cheese and ham, salad, I guess, dessert, roll, bread, and they gave me, I'm doubled up, yogurt. Yeah, that's it. I'm sure it's safe to eat. I'm not too sure what this is. Actually, I have no idea. Don't know if I should try it. I have no idea what this is. And even if I ask them, they're gonna tell me in Russian, and I will be none the wiser. Not recommended. Very chewy and I don't know. Pork maybe? I'll stick with what I know. Feta. as it goes on an overnight train trip, sleeping's part of it. So that's me for the night. I'll see you in the morning. Hey, good morning. Made it through the night. Woke up a lot though. At least I can lie down. Guess we gotta get up. It's a traveler's friend. Some wipes. So there's no place to shower or wash. It's a good alternative. This music, it's crazy. Just gonna go see if I can get a cup of coffee. We're coming into Yuzhno-Sakhalin station and the end of our train journey. 16 hours on a train. And there goes my phone. All the messages are coming through from not being in a cell phone network. Now from here, off to the airport.